Welcome back to a new video. Today's video is designing 3D packaging designs using Adobe Dimension. So I'm going to be walking you through how that works. It's pretty cool, and it's based on like a brief that's a mosquito and insect repellent. So we're going to go walk through that. I've started to design the packaging itself, and it's called Zibbit. This brief is by Design Brief, can be found on Instagram. So I did some design work already for Zibbit, and right now I'm going to be mocking up the 3D aspect on Adobe Illustrator. Started off with actually designing this on Adobe Illustrator. So I designed it on Adobe Illustrator, and I watched the video Silver Moon Design School. She teaches a lot on how to do the 3D aspects, so I highly recommend her. So I'm just walking through, pretty much you get an image of what you're going to do a model of, and then you use Illustrator to kind of use that to shape, make an outline of the shape that you're doing. So that's what I'm currently working on at the moment. So yeah, I'm just currently making the lines of the bottom of the bottle, making sure that it's right on the center, and then adjusting the shape to be as accurate as possible to the design that you're designing. Now I'm doing the cap, which is like the top bit. It's a little bit different, but definitely you have to be a little skilled with Adobe Illustrator to undergo this. So pretty much, yeah, I'm working on the cap, and then I'm going to work on the top bit of the cap, which is shown through the video. Next, we're going to be using 3D effect to create the 3D look in Adobe Illustrator. So yeah, pretty much you use revolve and make sure you adjust it to what is required, and then it creates these amazing, beautiful 3D shapes, which is super awesome. So afterwards, you want to export the following file to make sure it's compressible with Adobe Dimension. Then after you've exported your files onto Adobe Dimension, you want to make sure that you align the objects on top of each other, and trust me, this takes a while to get used to, but it does require some fidgeting and moving about some objects here and there. Next, you want to put, once you've done making sure you've put everything together in order, the objects, you want to adjust the materials according to the object. So I'm using plastic since this is a spray bottle, so you pretty much put the plastic sphere material on, click it onto the object itself, and then it will adjust it. And it's pretty cool. Seeing that final result, make it come together, is pretty awesome, as well as adjusting the environment and adding the label, which I feel like adds to it so much. It makes it look beautiful, like chef's kiss, and really works well. And then after I'm adjusting the environment, so the background of it, since it is like an outdoors repellent, you want to like adjust it to that, which is like an outdoors environment, as well as like I introduced like an orange background as well to make it pop, the objects. And then that's pretty much it. That's the final result, as you can see in the video. And I hope you guys learned something new, and see you in the next one. Bye!